Manipur International Youth Centre (Miyc) has urged the authority concerned to repair the dilapidated 1.5-kilometer long road stretch from Tangkul Baptist Church, Lamphel-Shija Hospital. The stretch serves as an important passage for Shija Hospital, Medical College, National Institute of Technology (NIT), Sewerage Treatment Plant and Games Village. While maintaining that the road stretch is also crucial for intertransfer of serious patients between Reims and Shija Hospital, Miyc drew the attention of authority concerned to elevate the road by 3 feet and expand it to 4 lanes. The statement also pointed out that the bridge, which is being constructed by the Water Resources Department as part of the rejuvenation of Lamphel water body project, has entirely obstructed the road due to the absence of a road diversion plan. Emergency patients or critical patients will encounter considerable difficulties while accessing the Tarung Road or the road near Lamphel DC office. Miyc said the state government ordered the closure of Lamphel-Shija Road on April 12, 2024 due to a landslip. However, patients had no choice but to use the road and had to endure this pathetic road condition in order to access medical care.